this. All right, boys, so this one's mostly done. I'm gonna set this over here to the side to dry, and we're gonna bring this bad boy here. I wasn't sure what second character I wanted to do for this video, but I think I'm gonna try to do Ghostface. It would be kind of interesting because of the proportions. That's why I thought that it would be too hard, but I think there's enough space here to do it, so let's see how it looks. Freaking Ghostface is one of my favorite characters. I actually just this Ghostface statue right freaking here for a reference. Hey, it's me from the other angle. Like I was saying, dude, I'm gonna try a Ghostface mask, dude. I don't have high hopes for this. But we're gonna see. Like, I can make it an optical illusion and make it come together, maybe. Okay, so we're gonna freaking that works. Oh, dang, where was that penmanship before? Didn't know I had the stroke game of a god. Hey, oh yeah, that already looks a little better. It still looks insane. It's really hard to get rid of these little bumps in the road you call a nose. That looks really bad, dude. I'm gonna level with you. Not your best thing, not your best work. Maybe don't have a second day on the job. Gotta get the mouth shape right. Get the mouth shape. Oh, it's so bad, dude. Is that helping? I don't know. All right, well, I think I messed it up. Certainly you can't expect me to say less. Damn it. It's so, like, blotty. It looks like an ink blot, not an eyeball. Okay. It doesn't make it. Certainly made it harder to tell what it is. See you in there. Dude, this one came out pretty freaking good. I like it. It looks a little silly from that angle, but don't look at it. What about up here? Dude, I'm witty. I've got the blood and honey in my tumbly. Freaking lit. This one, on the other hand, I mean, you know, the resemblance to Ghostface is simply lost completely. The red got smeared all over there. It kind of ruined the whole face shape, which was everything. Dude, this was freaking fun, though. I feel like I could repaint over this, so if you have any ideas for this kind of face shape, it's just a human face, I think. Let me know in the comments. What other freaking character should I try to paint on a mask next? Dude, freaking hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll freaking do more craft videos in the future. What's my favorite scary person? What's your favorite scary movie? Is it screaming, yelling, holler, Batgirl, or otherwise? Trying to make a discount Scream joke because it looks bad. Guess this kind of looks like The Purge or something. Do not speak to me or my son ever again, even if he looks nothing like me. I still am his father, and I love him. I love you, son. I love you.